also have clients who are looking for potential income off of their carriage house units. So you can use them as rental units for long-term rental or for short-term rentals like Airbnbs. So there's just a lot of flexibility that comes from essentially having a self-contained living space on your property separate from the rest of your house. Once the carriage house is done, it's really up to you how you want to use it. Once they start thinking about it, they can really imagine all sorts of different uses for a carriage house. But I just want to say that not all carriage houses are created equal. The carriage houses that we've done, there's just certain things that most people don't think about, but they really should when they're talking to another builder or someone else about possibly doing a carriage house on their property or having it added to their house. Like when we build a house for them, we give our customers the option of adding a carriage house. And some of the things that we have learned that you need to be careful about are, first of all, is just utilities. We've certainly seen on the market builders or sellers that advertise an unfinished carriage house space. Well, you could walk into a carriage house and you can space and you can see the studs and your mind starts to go, wow, I could do all these things here. But you need to verify that there's water, there's electricity, possibly gas, so that you know that you can do what you really want with it. For example, if you don't have water and sewer to the carriage house, then you really can't have a kitchen, you can't have a sink, you can't have a bathroom. So if you're thinking of having any of those features in your carriage house, if you don't have water and sewer, then it's very expensive to retrofit the space in order to have those things.